Today we have another perfume from Swiss Arabian, which is a bit of kind of like their premium line, and this is called Casablanca, Essence of Casablanca, extract the perfume. So this is the sample vial, and the one thing I really love about it is that it opens like this, so it slides out and you can easily take the bottle out. So this is how this has been done, and I really appreciate Swiss Arabian that they are making something like this. So let's start with it and try to test it, how it actually evolves. It is kind of a lot of accords, balsamic, caramel. Let's see how it has been. So 1, 2. It's caramel, sweet, apples, fruity. My allergies. Yes, apples. I am sensing a lot of apples over here. Apple, sweet, grapes. Yes, grapes is there. They have written the note. So if you mix, like if you create like smoothie of apples and grapes, I think it would smell like this. Iris is there. It is getting a bit powdery. So it is a light powdery kind of scent. White musk maybe has been used. They have written musk note over there, but I think I don't sense any musk. It is kind of like maybe white musk over here. That is mostly amberette oil, I guess. Overall, it is kind of like very similar to Spirit of Valencia, but it is kind of like on the other side. Like it's not fresh for summer. It is kind of like for winter. Gourmandish apples with some iris, some powderiness. This is all what I'm getting from here. Yes, maybe some light balsamic is there just to make it a bit more to exploding kind of scent. Apples are now fading away and now powderiness is coming up. So for me, I think it is more kind of like gourmandish, sweet apples, light powdery kind of scent for winters, I guess. It is just like in winters you have entered in a coffee shop that is and you are having a piece of cake that has candies on top of it, apple candies or something like that. So it is very similar to this. Yes, there is iris. So iris is kind of like let me explain how actually iris feels. If you have used a lipstick or makeup, there is a light powdery smell in the makeup. So when women use it, you will get some light makeup smell on their skin, which is very similar to what iris does in the perfumes. So it is that kind of lipstick kind of sweetness. I think this would be more recommended for women if they can wear it in winters. I think this is a very suitable perfume for women. Yes, it will project well on women, and I think it will be a bit attractive for women. So kind of like very gourmandish, sweet apples, light lipstick vibe or light powderiness and light muskiness. Apples are still there. That is all I get. For me, it's fruity. It has apples, it has iris, a little bit powdery, it is sweet, it is recommended for women. I think a woman, even girls above 20, they can wear it, and I think it would suit them a lot. And even 40 plus, they can wear it. So this is my review about Essence of Casablanca. They have written a lot of notes over here: caramel, woody, amber, sweet, apples, grapes, patchouli, Peru balsam, musk. I am not sensing much balsamic things over here, or patchouli a bit much. Maybe they have used it very low. Suede or leatheriness, I'm not sensing. Maybe something in the dry down comes up, but right now there is nothing like that. So this is my simple review about Essence of Casablanca, and I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.